Hello everybody, welcome to IT Skills channel. My name is Aiden. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and actually show you the Surface Hub 2S. And the Surface Hub 2S is actually a nice device. You can see over here, this is a finished 50-inch display. And I'm trying to go back away from the camera so you can take a look at it. Currently it's off right now, but before we turn it on, we're going to take a look at a couple essential features. The first thing you're going to see is going to be obviously your screen, but then you have your 4K camera. This is your 50-inch display, all 4K. You also have a couple of cool features you have in here. So you have your keyboard. That mine comes with a keyboard over here. So the keyboard is right here. It's pretty much nice. It's actually not made by Microsoft, to be honest with you. It's just a Logitech keyboard that actually have a trackpad over here that you can use simultaneously. And then you also have your wheels on here on the steel case. You have wheels on it, and this is a nice case, and nice what do you call, like a carrying steel case over here that you can actually connect to the Surface, mount it into it, and then you don't have to use a wall mounting, because the wall mounting is just a little bit harder to imagine. So this is what you can do. And then on top of that, you also have what you call your, trying to get here, you have your screen again, and then you also have a couple of ports over here. You have your USB-C over here, and then there's another USB-C on here as well. So you got a couple of USB-C and over here, and then you have your pen. You can write on the screen. It's a touch screen, 15-inch touch screen. And then let's turn around. We're gonna use the cart. Let me see. I think I locked the wheel. Let me unlock it. Let's see. I may have unlocked it. So let's go ahead. I unlocked it. Let's move this around. Maybe I did lock it now, so let's get it here. So I just turn it around right now, the Surface. So this is the back of the Surface. You can see again the steel case. This is showing you over here. It has Microsoft logo on it, and underneath of the steel case, you're gonna see a couple of ports over here. You have your peripherals, you have your inputs. I have Ethernet connected right now, and you also have your HDMI. You have your USB 2.0 port, and then you have your display port. What it looks like over here. Let me focus on here. So yeah, so you do have a lot of. That's a looks like a. What is that cable anyway? So let's see. Yeah, it has a traditional Surface display. It's a mini display port. So yeah, you have all those stuff, and you have your power cable as well. And so yeah, I mean, this one is really nice. So let me go ahead, and you can see over here on the back of the steel case again what it looks like. This is like almost if I move this away, you can open it from the front, and once you open it, it just looks like an enclosure where you can put it in there. Let me go move this back again, and we're gonna try to open this steel case. So if you open this up, it's just a compartment, nothing's in there right now. You could technically have a battery in here to store if you want to make the Surface Hub 2S even more modular. Now what we've been all waiting for, we're gonna turn it on, and I just press the power button and it's coming on. Let me turn it around so you can see it starting up. This is actually gonna be a little bit different than your traditional one. You can see the time. It's running through actual full-blown Windows 11 operating system. It's not running the Windows Team Edition. The Team Edition for me was just not that great. I didn't like it. I know it has a lot of use for it, but I think that this full-blown Windows is good. You can see it's going to show up my name over here, and I'm going to log in. Oops, that messed up my PIN number over here. So yeah, you can see I'm logging in right now, and that's ultimately what you're looking at. So once you log in, or once I log in here, you can see I have my BG info showing me my computer displays over here. You can see all those stuff. So yeah, I mean, it's really nice. It's really nice. So now you have the start menu over here. You have your usual Windows 11. So if you press the start menu, You can see that, and yeah, I mean, it's not much to it. Like, it's Windows 11, and you can see how it works. There's a couple of things I want to bring up over here. The Surface application. So if I click on here on the bottom, I have this couple of shortcuts over here, and then I'm going to open the Surface application. So it's going to bring up the Microsoft Surface, application. It tells you this is Surface Hub 2S, and you can see that right away. And this ultimately gives you like hard device information. You can see what it says over here. Actually, Teams auto launched. Let me minimize this so you can see the display. It's running i5. It's running i5 8th generation. It's also gonna have a 128 gigabyte of memory. So not much. Not 128 gigabyte memory. Let me see. 128 gigabyte of storage, not memory. I wish it did. If it did, that would be awesome. And obviously you have your warranty and everything information. And so, but yeah, the most important feature about this Surface Hub is the whiteboard. So let's open the whiteboard. And I use the whiteboard a lot. That's actually Microsoft to do. I pressed the wrong one over here. Let's press the whiteboard. So I was pointing to the wrong area, but let me press the whiteboard. Alright, there you go, it's clicked. And this is launching the whiteboard over here. It's gonna, I'm already signed into it. I actually provisioned this Surface using Windows Autopilot, so it's actually gonna have the traditional, it's gonna have my page signing and everything else. This is some of the things that my kids have done with. My daughter used it yesterday, and she was doodling Barbie. This is what she was doing, and this is like what she likes. And then each of my kids have their own, if you will, doodling session. I'm gonna make a new one for me, and I'm just gonna say, hi, welcome to the Surface Hub 2S. So yeah, that's just my penmanship is not there anymore. I don't really write anything. It's been a long time since I actually did that, but it is something that I need to get back into it because this is awesome. This is what makes me go back into doing that. There's a couple of features you have with the Surface Hub with the whiteboard, and we can go over that in detail. But right now, to just show you the highlight of it, if you click on here, the three dots, if you click on the three dots on the whiteboard here, click three dots, you're gonna get to see templates, images, document, do component, videos, links, etc. So if you click on template, it immediately shows you all the templates you can use currently right now. You have the template for recommendation, brainstorming, you got your problem solving, research, and design research strategy, etc. And then if you decided that this is not for you, you can create one from scratch, or my favorite, and that's my favorite by the long shot, you can come over here and click on images. If I can click on here, I'm not pointing to the right area, actually I have to do a hand gesture on that one, and then I'm going to type in the image I want. So I gotta have to go ahead and actually type in onboard keyboard rather, and type in just like Surface. Let me see if it's gonna bring in Surface. I'm just searching for Surface Hub 2. So yeah, so this is the Surface Hub 2. I'm gonna select this picture, add this, and it's also gonna add this picture. It's also gonna add this picture, and it's also gonna add this. So this is what mine looks like. So it's gonna add here. Once I'm ready for my image, I'm gonna hit insert. There you go. So and then if I want to make it bigger, I can just zoom in like that. So ultimately, our surface looks exactly like that, and we can zoom in. We can start, once we're done zooming in, we can actually start annotating on it. So you can see here, let me choose a different pen. and then you can choose like green. My kids were playing with green, so let's just say 50-inch. Or I can probably go back. This pen is big one, and then I could go ahead and actually do other things here. It's gonna have an 8 gig. And then it's also gonna have 128 gig storage. i5 8th gen. There we go. So that's basically what it is. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know that I don't have a camera person, if you will, to do this. So it was just me. Hopefully you were able to get a general idea of it. But yeah, this is an awesome device. I'm excited. I cannot wait to bring more video about it. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Take care.